What is the ThirdEye MR Workspace? The ThirdEye MR Workspace is a hands-free, see what I see remote help platform. You can live stream what the X2 mixed reality glasses user sees to a remote expert, and you are able to stream glasses to glasses as well as web to glasses. This is an out-of-box solution that ThirdEye created in order to keep teams connected. How to set up a paid or free MR Workspace account. First, you're going to visit our thirdeyegen.com website. Next, you're going to hover over our products page, scroll down to AR software, and then ThirdEye MR Workspace. In this screen, you will then select the Get Started tab, scroll over to Plans, and here you have it, your options of accounts, starting with free accounts into paid accounts. Select the account that you want to set up. Once you're on this side, you will enter your enterprise name, first and last name, as well as your company email address. Read our terms of service and select Register. Here you'll have a prompt that tells you thank you for registering. You'll also receive an email with further information in getting your account set up. Here's your MR Workspace featured walkthrough. First, you've got your dashboard tab, which provides a company name, enterprise name here. Next, you've got your user counts, number of users within your organization, as well as notifications of what's happened within the platform. You've got recent activity, caller's name, call type, whether a remote call one-on-one or a conferencing call, followed by date and time of that call. Next, you've got your user list, people within your organization. You've also got a search tab here you can use. The following tab is your remote assistance tab. Here you've got first and last name of users within your organization, as well as the email roles, either admin user. Any user that's currently online, you will see a green dot to the left of their name. You will also see the platform they're using. I myself am on a web platform here. My teammate is on an Android device, which would be our glasses. You can choose an action to call using an audio call tab here, as well as a video call. Another fun part of this is you can assign a file to multiple users. How to set up a user on MR Workspace. First, you're going to scroll down to your team tab here to your left. Next, you're going to hover over and select the Add User, New User tab. Add a first and last name. Next, you're going to add an email address for the user within your organization. And then you're going to assign a role for that user, either admin or a user role. Once you select the Save tab here, that'll automatically prompt you for a user being created successfully, and that user will move along to the last page of the organization. Here you go. And once that user begins using the account, the status will either be active or offline. That's how to set up a new user in MR Workspace.